Hello my lovelies and welcome to another free.volous episode. Today I'm bringing you the November Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing, and in case you're wondering, no, I haven't gotten my hands on the October one yet. So yeah, I really have to dig deeper and press those people. So let's see what's inside, shall we? This one got to me really battered, but I think everything is okay inside. But anyway, on the lid it says Goya, the suspension of disbelief that occurs in good storytelling, a story that feels like reality. Oh, that's so nice, because I'm doing a play, so I like to believe I can create the Goya effect on people. We're starting with a bang. The first thing is the Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. Enhance your natural glow for the party season with this baked highlighter that feels like a cream but applies like a sheer powder. Illuminate your face and body with golden color that bestows your complexion with natural looking radiance and luminosity. Sweep all over the face for a lit from within glow. Spritz your brush and apply highlight with this for an even stronger pigment. So it seems quite golden. I don't know how this is going to match my skin tone, but we'll see. Let me get a brush. This one is by Zoeva. It's the Luxe Highlight 105. I really like it. And let's just swirl it. See how it goes on the hand. It's really faint, which I don't... Can you see anything? Sorry. I'm not against it. Let's see how it goes on the face. Oh, hello. Oh yeah. I thought it would be a lot more, how do you say, discreet, but it's not. It's really nice. It does slightly enhance my wrinkles. It's normal, it's a powder highlighter, most of them do, but it looks really beautiful, and the golden is not too yellow for my skin tone. As usual, this depends on the people, and I'm excited to try it. I think it was the Laura Geller Pressed Powder Foundation, the mineral one, really nice, so excited about this one. The next thing in the box is the Ren Evercon Global Protection Day Cream. Our skin is regularly exposed to environmental pollutants. Soothe and protect your skin with this gorgeous cream that trains your skin to be less sensitive whilst fighting against damage caused by free radicals and environmental aggressors. After cleansing, gently massage a small amount of day cream. If you suffer with sensitive, dry and inflamed rashy skin during and after pregnancy, this will really work to soothe any issues. I have issues. Grey's Anatomy. So I'm really excited. I really love Ren. I don't give it enough love, I think, sometimes. They have amazing products. They are a very kind of green, clean brand. They've been around forever. And yeah, I should play more often with their products. So here we go. It's a huge nozzle, really wide, so I'm going to be really careful. A slight scent to it, nothing too invasive. Sinks into the skin really quickly, feels really nice. I'm sure I will love it. Oh, now it has developed more of a minty, not minty, more eucalyptusy scent. Yeah, it's nice and pleasant. I'll have to look up the ingredients, but I'm excited about, I really like Ren usually, so. Next product is the Bubble Tea Look Fantastic Dark Wonder Bath Bomb. Our limited edition Bubble Tea Bath Bomb is back. This luxury bath bomb is infused with acai berry and hibiscus. Yes, it's acai. Filling your bath with color and the fragrance to stimulate the senses. Get ready to feel rejuvenated and refreshed with the added bonus of super soft hydrated skin. Remove all packaging and drop bath bomb under warm running water. So don't put this inside the plastic inside your bathtub. Allow short time to dissolve, lightly fragrance and soften the water. Okay. Rub water along your skin to ensure you're getting all benefits of this amazing bath bomb. This is just fun. The packaging is nice. It's a nice dusty blue. It smells fruity as you would expect. Excited. Seems nice. I'm very benevolent today. Next product is the MELLOW Precision Pen Eyeliner. Get striking eyes for every occasion. This long-lasting super black formula creates the thinnest or thickest winged liner in one sweep and gives eyes a bolder look without having to try too hard. To ensure a straight line, use a sharp edge such as a credit card to get the perfect flick. I haven't gotten there yet, but yes. Let's see. I'm not a big fan of liquid liners, and from all the ones I've tried, the one that I prefer is the Stila Stay All Day 24 waterproof pen liner, because it does stay on my eyes. The downside of that one is that it is slightly shiny, but I tone it down with a little bit, either Marc Jacobs pencil or eyeshadow, and I tone the shine down, but I really like the long-lasting ability of that one. Every other eyeliner I've used flakes on the outside corner of my eyes, which is normal because I have very hooded lids, and when they move, they just scratch off the eyeliner. This is a pretty big felt tip applicator. Let's see how I go with this. Lots of makeup in this box. I'm excited. Yay! I've got my eye look going on. Let's see how far can I ruin this eye look. Oh God. I can breathe now. So this is the closer both eyes are going to get in terms of the line, because my eyes are too flappy at this moment. So yeah, when I stretch my skin, it looks really even and nice and a big wing, and then I let it go and it all goes like this. But anyway, it is easy. It does glide on the eye. It's not too scratchy or anything. The felt tip doesn't have a lot of give. So if you like those kind of felt tips that give you a bit of a give, this is not the most giving, but it does have a bit of a give. It was easy for me. I think this is one of those things that each person likes a different kind of applicator. I really love the brush type of applicator, like the Kat Von D liner, but yeah, I had no trouble with this. It is black. It went over my eyeshadow really easily. I didn't have to keep on layering it, so I like it. Let's see how it lasts. That is going to be my feedback about this product next month for you, because usually these don't last too long on me, and with a bit of luck you will see it starting to flake at the end of this video. That's how long they usually last for me. But yeah, let's dive into the box to see what's left. An old friend, ELEMIS. This is the papaya enzyme peel. This gentle exfoliator will make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead skin cells without rubbing, making it perfect for delicate skin, as it also gives antioxidant and free radical protection. Your skin will be treated with seaweed actives and vitamin E, leaving you with a smooth, moisturized and remineralized skin. Apply to your cleansed skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. You can use 1 to 2 times a week for correct exfoliation, as they say. I usually am not a fan of ELEMIS just because of the amount of perfume they put on their skincare. So let's see. Yeah, this says apply for 10 minutes on the bottle. I would follow the instructions of the brand, just saying. But yeah, unless this is extremely lightweight. My favorite enzyme mask is the Oskia Renaissance mask. That is wonderful. And yes, it does have a scent, but I really love that scent. Oh, does this not smell of anything? Would it be? No, it does smell of perfume. Anyway, I'll try it out. I'll let you know. Last product in the box is the Contour Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick. This matte kiss-proof liquid lipstick is designed to last all day long. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look with a soft finish that doesn't dry out the lips, encased in luxurious rose gold packaging. This highly pigmented liquid lipstick is a must-have in your makeup bag. Apply then dab with tissue for a subtler liquid lipstick look. Let's see, I'm going to remove what I have. It's not much, so... Oh, one of those. This is a test to your makeup addiction. I passed with flying colours. So let's see, this is a light pink. It won't match my eyes, but who cares? Aye. This is almost the exact same colour as my lips. Doesn't smell of much, a slight paint smell at the end. Let's give it a little bit to set. It was quite easy to apply. It feels slightly thicker than, for instance, the Fenty lipsticks, but each lipstick has, a liquid lipstick has their own texture. So we'll see. It's transferring so far onto my hands, and this is the type of color that I usually don't go for. It's a bit pinky and I don't usually go for this kind of color, but anyway, it looks nice. It doesn't feel too drying at this moment. As usual, this is one of those products that I can only tell you how I felt after using it for a few hours and seeing how it goes and how it sets and lives on me. So we'll see. Let me give you the overall value of this month's box. I'm quite chuffed because there's a lot of makeup in here. Quite iconic product, the Laura Geller. Really chuffed about it. Quite surprised with the Mellow eyeliner. It went really well. Let's see how it lasts. On me, I have very difficult eyes. And yeah, very happy with the Ren. Curious about this enzyme peel. Let's see. Now, let's talk about September, the September box. I had to... I'm looking, reading my blog to see what I had. And I had the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. I had already gotten one of those samples. I like the product. The thing is, I have very oily hair. And when I apply that kind of product, I have to be prepared because after that use, my hair won't last as long and it will be heavier. Even if I really, I double cleanse my hair after using that product and I really wash my hair really well and rinse everything off, it doesn't matter. My hair will feel heavier and will not last as well for as long as usual. So that's how I felt with the elasticizer. Because of that feeling, I don't tend to use it as often as I should to get the benefits of the treatment because it would heal my ends in the midsection of my hair. So yeah, for a very oily hair, you have to be prepared for that kind of treatment feeling that is not super luxurious. If you have normal to dry hair, you will probably love that thing. really love it. The Omorovicza Ultra More Mask. I love this. I've used one and this one is going to my friend Lavanya. So I'm not using it, but I know I've loved this product, although this is a mud mask or a clay mask. So there are cheaper alternatives. Maybe this one gives you an extra boost to your face, but I would have to have the big jar and use it very regularly to have those benefits. As a once in a while kind of product, it works as well as a clay mask. Next was the EVLOM cleanser. I used it up. I like it. It's a really good second cleanse in the evening. It's a heavy, balmy cleanser. I don't like the fact that it has mineral oil in it. My skin does not particularly enjoy mineral oil. That being said, this is not one of those products that is going to stay on your skin because you're going to wash it off and clean it off. But yeah, for that kind of price, I've said this many a times, I prefer the Emma Hardy Moringa Cleansing Balm, just saying. Then we have the Mane and Tail Hand Cream. It's a really nice hand cream. It disappears into the skin a bit too quickly. What I mean about this is that it feels nice and smooth on the skin when you apply it. A few minutes after, it doesn't feel like you've applied any hand cream. So it is really inexpensive. You can buy it by the bucket for very cheap, but will it be worth it in terms of keeping your hands really hydrated if you're very dry? I'm afraid not. And I've even applied it over some oil on my cuticles all over my hands, and it doesn't do much. The Aromatherapy Associates Bath Oil, love that thing. I have it in my bathroom, and whenever I have a long bath, which hasn't happened very often, I've had one bath in the past 2 months, but I like it. I love the scent. If you apply a little bit more than a capful, you'll feel a little bit of that residue on your skin, which I particularly love, and I liked the scent, and it's a really nice gift for Christmas if you're into Christmas and into gifting. So yeah. Last thing was the Lord & Berry strobing pencil. I had it and I can't see it anymore because I'm going mental. But anyway, it's an okay pencil. I'm wearing it on the inner corners of my eyes right now, and it's okay. After a while it starts to dry out, as most pencils do, especially the woody ones. And you have to warm it on your hand before you apply it, or you'll scratch your eyes, which I don't find it pleasing. But it works. It's a little bit texturized for my liking. Some people really like it. I don't know, it's a matter, as usual, of personal preference. I think there are other highlighters in the market that are more worth it. And I've heard great things about the Lord & Berry kohl pencils. And that should be on the box, because if that's that good and that iconic, that should be the thing brought to our attention, because this was kind of average and it's not worth the price tag, which I've checked, and it's 15 euros for one pencil, and that size, that was a full size, and I don't think it's worth it. Just say, you may disagree in the comments below. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I can't give you my impressions on the October box because it hasn't arrived. What can I say? I have to fight more. As usual, all the links will be in my blogs down below. If you want to see any more things from me, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for being there. Do subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for spending this little moment with me and your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!